Hello, my name is Claire from the Two-Eyed Illuminati, and today I am going to teach you how to make Alka Seltzer rockets. The first thing you're going to need are some film canisters, some Alka Seltzer tablets, some water, and finally some glue. So step one is to first prep the cap of your film canister. So you're going to take your cap, as so, get a little bit of glue and add like the smallest little dollop to it. Like that is all you need. Like the smallest, tiniest little bit. Then you're going to take your Alka Seltzer and you're going to break it. Now take 2 chunks and you're going to stick it inside the canister with your glue. I have another, and you're going to try to get it to stick in there. And you're going to wait for the glue to dry. You're going to hear a little bit of sizzling because this glue has some water in it. Well, I'm using Elmer's, but it has a little bit of water in it, but it'll be fine because you put a little so it won't react. So that's step 1. Next, it's time to fill your film canister with water. So I have a little syringe here, which I'm going to use to fill it up. But if you don't have that, that's perfectly fine. You can use these little medicine caps that come with most cold meds, and it usually has a measurement thing here. I'm going to use 10 ml of water, because that's about 1/3 of my canister, but it might be depending on you. So yeah, then I just have to fill it up. So next, now that you have your cap and your water, you're going to put the cap back on the film canister, and now it's time for the rocket. All right, here's the moment of truth. So I marked my tree up with different tapes, each 12 feet apart, so I can know how high it goes. So here it is, and in order to activate it, you just have to flip it over, set it down, and we're gonna wait. Oh, make sure you stand back. Oh! And there you have it. So now that I know how high 10 mLs of water can go, why don't I try to see how high it can go if I change the amount of water? So I'm going to try one with 15 ml, one with 10 ml, and one with 5 milliliters to see which one can go the highest. So I believed that the 5 millimeter one will go the highest because it will leave more room for pressure to build up, so it will have a greater pop. Now I have my different caps that are labeled 5 milliliters, 10 millimeters, and 50 millimeters. Now it's time to see which one will ride the highest. Here's 15. So that only went around like 2 feet in the air. So here's our original 10. So as you can see, it only really made like 3 feet up in the air. And here is the 5 milliliter one. That went like above 6 feet. Okay, wow. So I hope you enjoyed this experiment, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. In 3, 2, 1, go! I'm so nervous. Oh, make sure you stand far back so you don't hurt yourself. So here is the 15 milliliter one. which failed.